Hi learners, today we are going to learn the name of 10 insects. Let's start. F L Y Fly. B E E Bee. A N T Ant. W A S P Wasp. B U T T E R F L Y Butterfly. M O S Q U I T O Mosquito. S P I D E R Spider. C O C K R O A C H Cockroach. M O T H Moth. B E E T L E Beetle. Thank you. Visit again. Stay tuned.